My name is Jerome Becquart. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Axiad. And Axiad is a cybersecurity company. To make it very simple, we enable our customer to move away from password and get a higher level of security with great user convenience. Axiad is really specialized in higher assurance, which is why for us the YubiKey is such a perfect product, because you have the ease of use, but you have also the high level of trust that you get from a hardware device. I think what really why we were excited at Axiad to start working with Yubico is because the challenge that I think you guys are addressing very well is that today, if you want to move away from password, there is no one protocol from a security standpoint that enable you to do that, right? It's a great thing with the YubiKey, all in one device, do it all. To enable the deployment of this great device, you will need an authentication server, you will need the credential management software, you will need the certificate authority, and you will need a way to bind it for FIDO. So what we do, and where I think there is this great complementarity, is that we have a cloud-based solution that offer all of these elements in one place. The same way Yubico simplify from a device standpoint, we add the server component or the solution, and together the two companies, we also help a lot of customers deploy. Axiad Cloud supports phones as well as YubiKeys. Originally, most customers are very excited about the phone. One, because it's a phone, it's cool. Two, they don't need to provision a device. You don't need to distribute the hardware, the cost associated with the hardware, and so on. But what they realize when they start deploying is, one, especially when you move away from iPhone and you look at Android, you've got a variety of platforms. And the support nightmare that it comes to say, okay, it does work or it doesn't work because, different model of Samsung and Google phone and so on. So the complexity of supporting on all the phone is a problem. What we have seen actually, a lot of customers, they start with an 80% phone, 20% YubiKeys, because the YubiKeys would be for the more sensitive roles, like anybody in finance or IT or some of the sysadmin and so on. And then it switched. We have got a few customers that in the middle of the deployment decided to increase significantly and move more toward the hardware device because it's actually easier. Users love them better. I mean, that's my experience there. And what we do in terms of providing the end users the tools so that they can self-manage, and it's all about making the life of the user easy. In the same way that the usage of the YubiKeys, people love it. You insert it, you press a button, and that's done. Doing the same thing from how do I reset it, or do I request for another one if I have multiple? That's the type of problem we solve. Because the two companies, Yubico and Axiad, work well together, we hide some of the complexities that making sure that all of this works out of the box. They don't have to worry about it. Behind the scene, Yubico and Axiad are solving a lot of problems that the customer may have seen.